This is Jim from Absolute Control Irrigation Specialists. I want to welcome you to our channel, another episode of Tips from the Swamp. In this video, I'm going to show you on several different face panels how to clear the memory that may be causing you programming issues. It may be coming on at times you don't want. It may have been programmed multiple times, you're not sure what all's there, and you want to get it back to ground zero and wipe out the memory and start fresh. So I'm going to demonstrate on different units how you accomplish that. First unit is the MSC. This unit and its later unit, MSC Plus, both have this function basically performed the same way. And to do that, we first have to take and get down to where we're looking at special functions. So we get it down to special function. Next, we use this up arrow until it shows us pass locked. Now we need to clear the pass lock. To do that, we hit the SPF button. It will give us 3 zeros, and then we set those to 6, 2, 7, and we hit the SPF button again, and that puts us into passkey test mode. Now we use the up arrow to scroll through the different functions until we arrive at the one that reads Cold Start MSC. Once we see Cold Start MSC, we press the SPF button and it will process that cold start. It'll do a new system setup, it'll run through a whole series of self-tests. When it's done, it will come back to a Sunday 1200 setting, which now says that everything is completely erased out of the unit and it needs to be reprogrammed. This is how you do an MSC and an MSC Plus. The next unit we're going to look at is an PAR+ES. And this is set up the same way as the original PAR, which looks something like this, and the PAR+, which is the blue and gray face panel that looks very much like the green PAR+ES. To erase the memory on this unit, the first thing we need to do is go down to the special function button down here and press that until the display reads self-test, such as it does there. Once it reads self-test, we can then press the start button followed by the system information button, and now the display reads keypad test. And now we go through the special function button and we scroll through till the display reads Cold Start PAR+, as you can see here. With that, we press the start button and the unit will proceed to go through a reset, a new system setup, and it'll come back and read Sunday at 1200, which says the memory is completely erased, it's now reset and ready to be reprogrammed. And the next thing we want to look at is the ESP-MC. And to blank this one, or program erase, we turn the dial to the off position. Notice the last digit's blinking. And then we hold the on button, manual start and advance button, simultaneously until it goes into an initiation system sequence. And then we can turn it back to the automatic position. It'll go through this self-test process, and at some point, as we watch it go through, it'll go to and eventually, when it's cleared completely out and reset itself, it will come back to its original date of programming, which is Thursday at 12 a.m. We now know that this unit is fully erased and everything is now gone, so there's no more glitches, no more extra programming, and now the unit needs to be reprogrammed the way we want it to be. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope it's been helpful. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Please subscribe to our channel so you do not miss any new videos. We also appreciate your comments and suggestions. Remember, we will provide you a shipping label, and we promise a quick turnaround time on all repairs. Visit us on our website, www.absolute-control.com, to find our contact information so that you can reach us and get your labels so you can send in your repairs. Thank you from Gator with tips from the swamp at Absolute Control Irrigation Specialists Incorporated.